Feeling anxious or overwhelmed? Brew a cup of calm with this natural remedy. 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in 1 cup of hot water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey if you like. As it brews, breathe deeply. Chamomile relaxes your nervous system, eases tension, and helps you sleep. Now, let's pair it with peace from Philippians chapter 4, verse 6 and 7. Do not be anxious about anything, and the peace of God will guard your heart and mind. Sip slowly and let God's peace abide with you. Tag someone who needs this moment of rest.